You will.
Mommy.
So we're gonna redo our whole Lego Mario's world here, right?
Yeah.
Because right now it's kind of just a mess. So we're gonna make it.
Because well, last time we were opening all the boxes before.
Yeah.
Before it was Christmas. Oh, this is a big mess. This is a big mess. Look at that. This is not supposed to be here. No.
No, we're gonna fix it though, aren't we?
Yeah. Look at the Goombas.
Hello.
Oh yeah, I forgot about these guys. I totally forgot about these guys. Remember these guys that have this face? Remember it's like this?
Yeah.
Right, that was big bullet guys.
Yep. Bullet bill, right?
Both like the big size of them.
Yeah, you got a lot of stuff, so we're gonna make something really cool. And
I'm just gonna style this.
here you go. Okay, we ready? Let's do it.
Okie dokie.
Working out.
Yeah.
Feeling the burn.
Yeah.
To go.
It's nice to have some cookies on rainy days.
Yeah, they were having some cookies.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Check it out. Is it better than it was before?
Yeah. Oh, we got everything set up.
Yeah.
Why did it go sideways?
Because you gotta bash them, right?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Alrighty, here goes.
Wait, why? Make it end. Yay.
You can just start things, but it won't do the sound.
Well, I just pretend that I win. I win.
Yay! Nice job.